Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to embroidery and cooking. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make beef trotters. So first I have taken about 3 to 4 liters of water and it's boiled, and now I'm going to show you the ingredients. So here I have 2 full trotters. I have brought them just like they are in pieces, and then I just cleaned them with some hot water, and now they are fully cleaned and ready to cook. And the spices we're going to need, it's all ground spices, hot spices. I have ground spices and these spices here too, and I'm going to add almost 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of chili red powder and 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of grounded. And we are also going to need 4 big tomatoes and some ginger and garlic. So the water is boiled, and now I'm going to take my trotters and put them into water carefully. Now I'm going to add all the spices, dry spices I showed you before. These 4 spices I'm going to put them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I'm going to add all the hot spices I have. I have some cinnamon and some black pepper and all the dried spices. I'm not gonna add the grounded. I'm gonna add this one. So here I have crushed my ginger, but I haven't crushed garlic because it's just going to mix in the soup well. So here I'm going to add ginger and garlic, cleaning everything out. The ground spices and the ginger garlic too, and we're going to give it a good shake. And the beef trotters take a good amount of time to cook, so we're just going to cook this guy for about 6 to 7 hours, and then I'll meet you there. So it has been about 5 to 6 hours we have cooked them, and then I have separated the meat and the bones, and the soup is still in that container. So our meat is almost done, and now we are going to stir fry it. And here I have taken about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm going to add tomato paste. It's about 1 to 2 cups.